Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome to SHIBA update, which is a pretty interesting update, and we do have a mysterious pattern right here. So yesterday we talked about breaking above this pattern right here and waiting for the retest. Now so there we are. That's the moment of the truth, and we finally broke out of that pattern, which we didn't do for quite a few days down there. But you can see that it's pretty clear that you really broke out of it, and right now you're still pushing down. But I don't like how Bitcoin looks like, and you can see that that's a bearish engulfing candlestick. You do have 1 hour 22 minutes to close that candlesticks on the 4-hour time frame, but it seems to me that the volume is not there. The buyers are not stepping in. The buyers are not pushing the prices. I mean, yes, the break is happening, but it's weak. It's a weak break. It's not interested to still go up because volume does matter, and volume just indicates the purchasing power of traders, and it's not there. It's just not there. And when you don't have anything like that, and by the way, I just don't like whatever is happening here with this pattern. We could potentially not really pump up here and just move lower from there. There's no guarantees. Like, this is not what we call high probability trading. That's not a high probability, but it's something that you can get lucky, and it can move up if it tries to backtest and suddenly buy a step in and then move higher. Could be a chance there, but right now this is just extending in a way that I don't like it at all. And if you look at the EMAs, it's really getting rejected at the EMAs again. So the 55 is rejecting it, the 10 and the 20 is rejecting it. Now if the retest is successful, the next candles in the next 4 hours or 5 hours from the time I'm recording, we could have a nice good green candle up to 1051, make the cross, backtest everything, the backtest gets hold, make a bullish cross on the 4-hour time frame, backtest the EMAs, could be a good entry, and then it gives more confidence actually that we're going to move higher. But right now we're not doing something like that, which is, to me, that's not a particular suitable scenario. I don't want to trade it, I don't want to touch it, so no, I'm gonna pass anyway. That's it for this update on SHIB. I'm gonna see you the next one. Sorry, I'm quite lazy today. I don't even want to speak with high energy. Bye bye.